Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are doing revision very well, right? तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं rules for image formation in spherical mirrors. Earlier we have discussed rules for image formation in spherical lenses, right? अभी आज हम करने वाले हैं mirrors में if we want to get an image, if we want to make an image of the object, so how do we use the rays and how do we draw the ray diagram that we are discussing today. So let us take, there are total 4 rules are there, we are discussing one by one each of them. So let us discuss. First one is, let us first of all discuss in concave mirror. Let us consider a ray which is passing parallel to the principal axis. Now we know that from the pole the line which is passing is called principal axis. Okay, so consider a ray which is passing parallel to the principal axis. We can say that this is the parallel ray which is passing parallel to the principal axis. Okay, now the rule is that when ray of light passes parallel to the principal axis after reflection, okay, because mirror से क्या होगा, reflection majority part का, तो after reflection it will pass through the principal focus. This is the first ray diagram, या तो we can say this is the first rule, right? तो let us draw कि समझो कि as for example this is the principal focus and the after reflection ray is passing from the principal focus, right? So this is the first rule. Now same rule is applied in the case of convex mirror also, but it is slightly different. How it is different, let us discuss. Because convex mirror is what? So it is diverging mirror, its nature is diverging, and concave mirror is what? So it is converging. So actually rays are passing, meeting at the principal focus. Okay, but in case of convex mirror, what is the case? Let us discuss. If ray of light passing parallel to the principal axis, brother, so after reflection, what will be the case? After reflection, it is actually diverging. Okay, but if we trace it back to the mirror, so it appears that it is diverging from the principal focus. यानी कि it is appears to meet at the principal focus. So this is the rule. Here we can say the ray is incidenting parallel on the convex mirror, and after reflection it is diverging in this direction, but behind the mirror we can see that, we can assume that a ray is appears to diverge from the principal focus. So this is the first rule, right? Basic criteria is what? Ray is parallel to the principal axis, incidenting ray. In case of concave mirror, it is actually passing through the principal focus, and in case of convex mirror, it appears to pass through the principal focus. This is first rule. Now let us discuss second one. Second one is what? The vice versa of first one. Second rule is that if ray of light, let us consider this as the principal focus. If ray of light passes through the principal focus, right? अभी object है, right? Source of light है, तो source of light emits light in all the possible directions, right? So it is not necessary कि always rays are coming parallel to the principal axis, right? तो अभी क्या हो रहा है कि ray जो है वो principal focus से incident हो रहा है onto the mirror. Right now we are discussing in case of concave mirror. तो after reflection के बाद क्या होता है? तो it is passing parallel to the principal axis. See, you can see that the second rule is exactly vice versa of first one, because first one में क्या है कि if ray is incidenting parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it is passing through the principal focus. And here in second case, what is the case? कि if ray of light incidenting through the principal focus, after reflection it is passing through parallel to the principal axis. Right, now let us discuss second rule in case of convex mirror. See, what is the case in convex mirror? The ray of light is incidenting, या तो we can say appears to incidenting, या तो appears to diverge from principal focus. यानी कि if we trace it on the back side of the mirror, so it is appearing that it is diverging from what? The principal focus. So after reflection it will pass parallel to the principal axis. See here, it is incidenting and it is appearing to pass through the principal focus, and after reflection it is diverging parallel to the principal axis. Again it is vice versa of first rule, right? So these are the two rules. Now we'll discuss third one rule. So now let us discuss third one rule. Third one rule is all about related to center of curvature. Right? We know that what is center of curvature. Center of curvature is nothing but the center of this sphere from which this mirror is made. Okay, so let us consider this as a center. So consider as for example, this is a center of curvature in case of concave mirror. So the rule is what? कि when ray of light is passing and incidenting through the center of curvature, right? बहुत simple rule है, बहुत easy है कि if the ray of light is incidenting through the center of curvature, then after reflection it again retraces the same path. यानी कि if it is incidenting through the center of curvature, so we can see that it is again reflecting back through the same path, yani ki through the center of curvature only. Okay, so this is the in case of concave mirror. Now what is the case of convex mirror? So here we have to just assume. So let us consider a center of curvature at the back side of the mirror, and let us suppose this is the center of curvature in case of convex mirror. So here the case is what? Ki if the ray of light is appear to diverging from center of curvature, right? यानी कि क्या हो रहा है कि it is incidenting and appears to diverge from center of curvature, then after reflection it also retraces the same path, right? Because of convex mirror it is diverging, so यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? तो ray is diverging and it appears to meet at the back side of the mirror which is at the center of curvature. So this is the third rule. Now let us discuss simple fourth one rule, right? Last one rule. तो last rule क्या है? It is, we can say कि laws of reflection also, one of the laws of reflection. We can see how it works. देखो क्या हो रहा है कि if the ray of light is incidenting at any arbitrary angle on the pole of the mirror, यानी कि arbitrary angle means principal axis के साथ कोई एक एंगल बना रहा है and it is incidenting ray, that's why it is called ray of incidence, and this is called angle of incidence. Then after reflection it is passing with the same angle. It means कि जो arbitrary angle पे वो पोल पे इंसिडेंट हुआ है वही सेम एंगल पे वो क्या होगा? रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, बराबर? तो दिस इज, वी कैन से दिस इज द सेकंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन इन विच एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस एंड एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन बोथ आर सेम. द सेम सिनेरियो इज इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर आल्सो, कि कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में कि इफ द रे ऑफ लाइट इज इंसिडेंटिंग at any arbitrary angle which is called angle of incidence, then after reflection it is reflecting या तो going back, right, with the same angle. यानी कि if it is incidenting at some angle I, then it is reflecting at some angle R which both are equal. This is called fourth rule. So these four rules are very simple, right? First one is what? So it is if ray is passing parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection it is passing through the principal focus, and in case of convex mirror it appears to pass through the principal focus. Second is the vice versa of first. क्या था first में? कि second में क्या है कि second rule क्या बता रहा है कि if the ray is passing through the principal focus, then after reflection it is passing through the parallel to the principal axis. And this one is the third. It is all about center of curvature. It retraces the same path in both the mirrors. यहाँ पे just it appears to pass, it is diverging. And fourth one is nothing but the law of reflection, कि जो एंगल पे इंसिडेंट हो रहा है वही सेम एंगल पे वो क्या होगा? रिफ्लेक्ट होगा at the pole of the mirror. So these are the simple four rules. which is useful for the image formation. So we'll discuss in next video the image formation in case of spherical mirrors. Thank you.